Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 251 different strategies, with 79 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 140 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We have also tested a total of 1,002 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says, simple buy sell indicator beats all indicators on Tradingview. Now, of course, we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and hide these two indicators here. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Wyckoff check moving average. It's this one right here. Go ahead and add that to the screen, and we will jump into the settings on this one. And under the inputs here, the method multi-MA, you're going to switch that to the SMMA or the RMA indicator. And then you will scroll down to the length bar right here, and you're going to change that to 7. Go ahead and click OK. And then the next indicator we will want to add to the screen is going to be the normalized smoothed MACD. This one right here. Again, add that to the screen, and again we will jump into the settings on this one. For the fast setting, you're going to put, or the fast period I guess I should say, you're going to set that to 100. Under the slow period, you're going to set that to 200. And then under the smooth period, you're going to set that to 145. Go ahead and click OK, and everything should look as I have on screen now. And so what we're looking for a long trade is we are looking for a green tag like this here from the check moving average. And once we get a green tag like that there, we are then going to look down to the smoothed MACD, and we want it to be above the 0 line and have a green bar like so. And when those line up, that's going to be our signal to enter into a long. We're going to set our trade right here, and we are going to put our stop just right at the middle of this green tag. So right in the middle of this W basically. And then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this forward and see what we get. Alright, so you see we make a little bit of a dip and then a nice push up there, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we are looking for is going to be a red tag from the check moving average, and we are going to then look down to the smooth MACD. We want it to be below the 0 line, and we want it to have a red bar. Once those line up there, that's going to be our signal to enter into a short. We're going to put our trade right here, stop right in the middle of this red tag just like before. And once again, we are going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get. And a little bit nicer move off of this one, pushing down, getting us to our take profit rather easily. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 17 winning trades and 33 losing trades, putting it at a 34% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $10,200. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $13,200 for an overall loss of $3,000 altogether. So definitely not a indicator that beats all other indicators. And so compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 44 trades altogether. We had 39 winning trades and 5 losing trades, putting it at an 87% win rate. And so if you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $23,400. On the losing side, you'd have lost $3,900 for an overall gain of $19,500 altogether. So significantly better results. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the weekly signal. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. Each week we keep track of the trades the Academy Forex indicator has signaled. And so this last week on the Forex pairs, we had 4 trades altogether, 2 winning trades, 1 losing trade. Would have been a 50% win rate, a gain of a loss of $600. And on the crypto coin, we had the same deal, 4 trades, 2 winning trades and 2 losing trades, a 50% win rate. Would have been a loss of $600 again. And so for total for the week, we would have been down $1,200. Over the 21-week total, now we would have been up $37,360 over 178 trades. You see more stats on the strategy here and the growth of the equity there. And so really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.